Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 28132473. The error reads, 3D secure authentication failed. Please check the entered information and try again. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to make a purchase on the Nintendo eShop. As per the information shared by Nintendo, this error happens when the identity authentication information entered does not match the information registered with the card provider. The first thing you should do is double-check your credit card details. Ensure that all the information is entered correctly, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If the details are incorrect, update them and try making the purchase again. Some users have reported that adding extra funds helped them bypass the error. Even if you have enough balance for the purchase, try depositing some additional funds and attempt the transaction again. If the error persists, delete your saved card details and re-enter them manually. Sometimes, re-adding the card can help resolve authentication issues. In case the error still continues, then consider using a different credit or debit card. Or you can also try another payment method. As an alternative, you can also add funds to your Nintendo eShop account using a Nintendo eShop card, or link your PayPal account to your Nintendo account and complete the purchase through PayPal. If the error still occurs, check if Nintendo services are experiencing any issues. You can verify the status on the .nintendo.co.jp/netinfo/n_us/index.html or down detector to see if there are any ongoing outages. If you've recently made multiple purchases from a foreign eShop, Nintendo may have temporarily restricted your account for security reasons. This restriction typically lasts for around 30 days, during which you won't be able to make purchases. However, you can still buy games using redeemable codes or eShop cards. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.